Welcome back to Team Castro Universe. I know it has been a while since I've uploaded anything, so I apologize for that. It's been a crazy Christmas season and everything like that. So, a little update. We got a brand new couch. Look at that beauty. Look at the cats. They love it. They're sleeping. Anyway, today we are heading to Gym Rats. It's a store here in local Edmonton, St. Albert area, and they're actually having closing out sales, so we're hoping to scoop up either some supplements or some new clothes, whatever we can scoop up. I think it's pretty cleared out, so we're not gonna have a huge selection to grab. Anyway, I think as well, we're actually gonna be doing a photo shoot with a local photographer. His name's Tristan. He's part of a group that I've been working with where we take a bunch of creative social media people, whether it's photographers, YouTubers, musicians, bunch of people like that, graphic designers, and we get them all together and we brainstorm, we create projects for each other so we can reach goals in our business and things like that. So I think that's a great transition that we're doing, and I think it's a good way to get some more creative things and more content for all you people. Anyway, we're doing a photo shoot with them, so Linda and I are going to be doing that. I'm super excited about it. I'm in some nice clothes, so it's going to be fun. It was snowing earlier, so I hope that smartens up. It should be around 2 degrees Celsius. Anyway, side note to that, I want to show you guys one tool that I use to stay sharp all the time. It's the lint roller. These pants I just got, they're this nice rouge color. They're made by a company called Black Bull, and I got them at Moore's. They're super stretchy, which I love, so you can move around in them, and they're soft and they're beautiful. Downside, they collect a lot of lint, so I'm gonna roll the crap out of my pants right now. Ooh, way better. Alright guys, so we got a few things at Gym Rats, and we'll show you that in a bit. We did a photo shoot with Tristan, which I will link into the bottom of the video, so you can go check out his social media. He's a really talented artist in the Edmonton area. It was super cold. The wind was like blowing, snow was blowing, and we're like, let's get out of there. So, to cure our freezingness, we are gonna get some donuts. So, we're at a place called Destination Doughnuts. Hopefully they're okay with filming inside. We'll find out. Hey, we just got back home. Babe's already going through the stuff we got at Gym Rat. What did we get? What is that? It's all back of the camera.
Protein popcorn.
Icon Meals does these protein popcorns. There's 10 grams of protein in, what is it on the back?
1 serving, so 1 cup.
These ones are what?
Mint chocolate.
Delish.
It's good.
They're so good. I literally eat them. I eat a whole bag in one sitting. It's really bad. Even the cat wants some. Hey, off the table.
Good job.
All right, what else do we get?
Walden Farms dressings. So this is an Asian one. We got, this is gonna be total out of order in categories, but
Doesn't matter.
natural flavor coffee creamer.
Oh
in a caramel.
Also calorie free. I haven't tried any of these. So I'm kind of excited. I've seen people post these on Instagram and stuff, but never.
French vanilla?
I don't drink very much coffee. And I have like about one every morning just before the gym, just to get going. And then
I'm excited about this one.
Well, that looks fancy.
Pear and white balsamic. And
Oh yeah.
new pair of leggings.
Look at those. Yeah, so the store had like a closing out sale, so these were regular what? $90, $87.99 for what? 40 bucks?
$87.99 for 40 bucks.
Very cool.
Cute.
Yeah, there was a problem with all the pants that she tried on. Literally every single one was see-through.
Extremely see-through.
So these were the only ones that were squat proof.
The other ones weren't even stand proof.
Yeah. And Nelson's doing meal prep. Nothing surprising there. We're just doing oatmeals. But outside of the healthy stuff, we were stopped. And got these beautiful things. Look at these.
Oh, I love donuts.
Oh my god. Alright. Put those away for now. We're going to do a little taste test. And let you guys know if these donuts are any good. See you in a bit. Alright, bring the donuts in, babe. Alright. Let's read off the names first.
Me? Okay. So we have a white chocolate coconut, a hot chocolate donut, almond crunch, Oreo, all of the Reese's, and a Canadiana.
Alright, which one do you want to try first?
Can we save what I think will be my favorite for last?
Okay, which one do you think is your favorite?
I love Reese's.
I think
that's gonna be, I think, my favorite.
My least favorite one will either be, see, Oreo gets overplayed so much.
Yeah, that's my favorite.
I think that might be it. And then maybe the Canadiana one that's just like maple and...
Kind of maple has been done.
Yeah.
But that's okay.
Anyway,
so
you want to start with Oreo? Let's go classic donut first.
Okay.
There was a nice little Oreo on top. Wow. See, I was scared because some places they make donuts and then put the fancy toppings on top and the donuts meh. It's a pretty good donut. It's buttery.
Like the actual donut is soft.
We caught them in the last like half hour they were open today, so it's probably not the freshest, but still soft and not dry. So
I would agree with that.
Nelson, out of frame. Nicole, come on over here. Overpowers the Oreo a little bit.
I laugh, but it's true.
Ah,
What do you mean?
this I have Gordon Ramsay's palate when it comes to donuts.
Oh boy.
It is a good donut, though.
It's a good donut.
Like the donut
That
itself
donut
is good.
itself is a good donut.
I saw these on Instagram at Destination Donuts, which we'll link in below. You can check them out. I don't know if they're local to Edmonton or not, but I'm always a big fan
I'm sure they are.
of local businesses. So shout out to Destination Donuts for these donuts. I'll go back.
Oh yeah.
They have a nice, cute location in Edmonton as well.
And looking at their Instagram, they usually have like plenty of different flavors. So we probably just caught them at the end of the day where
Yeah,
they
we
only
pretty much
have,
grabbed
like-
one of each.
Yeah,
All right, well, I think maple because we thought that was the next overplayed one.
that's true.
For you, my dear.
Yeah.
For me. For Nelson and Nicole. Donut. Thinking it. The donut's powerful. It smells great though. I think that's what's great though. You open the box and it's like this aroma of donuts up there.
Donuts, wafting donuts.
All right. I think the almond one we should go next.
Or the white chocolate coconut.
Let's do white chocolate.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Come on, mix it up.
I have never played a game this long! Are you kidding? Never! Yes! Victorious! That was the longest game of rock, paper, scissors
Get out of my head.
I have ever played. Okay, we're going almond, I guess.
We're going almond. I lost that one.
Never, good thing I got that on camera. Holy.
No one
There you
would
go.
believe it. Thank you.
Y'all want to come in and grab your...
Excited. For being a yeast donut,
Or for being like the end of the day, like 3 o'clock is their close time. We picked it up at 2:40.
Wow. That's surprising.
I just took a big bite of like donut and left everything on top. Look at that.
did you eat it?
That's surprising. I didn't think it was going to be kind of crunchy. It tastes like a score.
Bar?
Yeah, that may be what they put on top too.
Oh, for sure. These chunks here?
Yeah. Ooh, some sweetness
That
blast.
is sweet.
That guy. Lone soldier in the corner. We're leaving that for last. I think it's gonna be the best. But look at that one. That's coconut. It's the hot chocolate one. This makes up for staying in the freezing cold for that photo shoot.
Oh, yeah.
Now I'm gonna do your coconut.
Now we'll do coconut. Assuming that was the next one for that.
Ladies first. This has got white chocolate with coconut sprinkles. Babe, move your head out of frame.
I don't think they're sprinkles. I think they're
Move
just
ahead.
coconut. Oh, yeah. It's good. I just really like coconut.
Mmm. Nelson gets a second place.
So far.
I have this love-hate relationship with coconut.
Oh, so do I.
I have the love part of the coconut.
I wouldn't want more than one of these. This piece is enough.
I was gonna say I wouldn't want more than a quarter of it.
You're welcome eating 6 donuts. This is for you.
We're doing it for you guys. Sacrificing our bodies to eat all these donuts for you. That we're kind of getting like
You're getting full.
donut coma. Though that would only be one donut.
That's true.
Because we'll have 4. We'll have a quarter each.
Yeah.
So that's like one donut, and I'm already like, oh, donut. Now that we eat this kind of stuff all the time, so. All right, hot chocolate one's next.
Yes.
It looks like it had a marshmallow inside of it. This was sitting inside. Weird.
Oh, what's crunchy?
Like
Oh,
sugar.
Caramel.
you know what? That's probably
Oh, it's really from one of the other ones.
when you cut. Oh no, the almond crunch was the one with the score bar. Who knows why that ended up there?
Random pieces of other things. Chocolate donut.
Yeah.
Fun. Good idea. Good for winter.
I save room for the one I'm excited for.
We're balancing it
Smart.
out. I'm committed to full donut eating.
I'm committed to full fat donut eating.
That's like Jen only eating part of the jelly bean.
Yeah. Reference back to
Not-
that video.
Not even close. I put the donut in my mouth. Shoot it.
If you haven't seen that jelly bean video, we'll also link that at the very end of this one. Here we go. The main event of the evening. Reese's Pieces.
Can I be mean and take this one with a big chunk of chocolate on it?
Oh God, fine. Or maybe I should have I paid for it.
Then can I have the one with a big chunk of chocolate on it?
Fine.
Thanks. Peanut butter
Look how
icing
thick
sugar.
that donut is. It's the size of your head, babe.
No, I think.
Look how big it is. Eat it. Alright.
Peanut butter.
Nelson gave up.
Not gonna lie, sorry.
Now, they're all good.
They are all good, yeah.
They're all good. We're just trying to rank the best out of these. So we have to stack them that way. Not as good, not as good.
When we're done, you guys give your order and then we'll give ours.
Okay.
I wanted this one to be my favorite.
I mean, because we left it at the end. I think that we got donut belly.
No, I already incinerated the other ones.
I did. I'm gonna have to work out twice as hard tomorrow. Alright, my number one, probably be the Canadian one. Then Oreo, Reese's. I think the almond then coconut hot chocolate was my least favorite because it's more just like a chocolate donut
With some
and
decor on it.
yeah. That's how I feel.
I'm gonna say the Canadian one for sure was my favorite. I really like the almond crunch, the Oreo, the Reese, the white chocolate coconut, and then the hot chocolate. What you got, Nelson?
I'm going with number one as the Canadian. And then I'm gonna do the white chocolate coconut. And then the almond crunch. And then the hot chocolate. And then my last two is the Reese's and Oreo just because I was so sad by them.
They were disappointing.
Disappointed. What do you think would make it better?
Oreo if they put more topping. Like if that was thicker,
Or more
like
bigger
chunks
chunks
of
of
cookie.
Oreo?
yeah, that would have made it better just because the donut was too overpowering.
There was a half Oreo on top that I ate.
No.
Right, Nicole, let's hear yours.
I agree with the maple, the Canadiana, and then the almond crunch, the white chocolate, the Oreo, the hot chocolate, the Reese. Reese last. Sorry, Reese. Sorry, so promising.
Alright, so you heard it here first. If you're gonna go check out Destination Donuts, for sure check out the Canadiana one. It is a maple-based donut. Maybe we're biased because we're Canadian. I don't know. Bye. If you like maple syrup.
You got that Canadian one, eh?
That's the Canadian one, eh? Let's go get it and get our hosers. Alright, that's it. Thank you guys for checking out Team Castro Universe. We love you all. Talk to you soon. Peace.
Fire when the storm hits you.
That's it, Brian? I really like that one.
Maybe a napkin, babe?
Smart.
Jack.
Jack wants donuts too.
Want a donut?
I just Sally would eat one.
Oh, probably.
Really?